Dr. Greg Hurst is here from White Oaks West Animal Hospital in Springfield. We're talking about your pet's health this morning. Let's get right to the questions off Facebook. We have several today, so some might have to carry over into the upcoming weeks. But Megan says, any tips for introducing dogs to new babies?
Well, you should start before you have the baby. Setting up the nursery, try to include the pets to come in and get familiar with the area. Right before you're getting ready to have the baby, a couple of weeks, maybe start carrying around like a stuffed animal wrapped in a blanket, and talking to it, and sort of
let them know they're not the only baby in the house anymore, right?
And and try to reassure your pet a lot so that they don't feel left out. And then when you have the baby, bringing something home from the hospital with the scent of the baby on it is a good idea. And then of course when the baby comes home, you don't want to actually have the baby get together with the pet, but let the pet be included sometimes to see what's going on.
Because oftentimes they're curious. They want to lick them and smell them. Should you let them get that close and trust them?
I wouldn't when they're really little, and but let them smell maybe the blankets and things like that. But certainly make sure you find time for your pet too, so they don't feel left out. But you really need to take precautions with pets and babies and toddlers because
they are an animal as much as we all have to think of them as part of the family.
The babies make unpredictable moves and things like that, so you don't know what it's going to trigger.
All right, Michael says, I have 2 puppies. They'll drink water and have to pee constantly. When I take the water away and portion it throughout the day, they'll drink aggressively till they vomit. What's the issue here?
Well, probably putting out just little bits at a time throughout the day is the way to go. If they're just really young puppies, they may be playing in the water and doing a lot of things like that, where pulling the water up at times is a good idea.
Portion control is the way to go.
Portion control, yeah.
All right, Dr. Hurst, thanks so much.
You're
Always
welcome.
a pleasure having you on the show.